In this lecture we'll know about the formula bar. So here, if we see that the under the ribbon, below the ribbon, this fx, so this space is called the formula bar. Here is the formula bar. So whenever you click on some number, so if it follows any formula, then here it will show. So here 6780 doesn't follow any formula and it's a number only. Then it shows only 6780. So here if you click on this figure, this profit, this follows a formula that is E17 minus E18. So it will be shown here in the formula bar. So if you click here, this figure, this formula will be shown here. So if you want to check whether if it goes, the figure follows any formula or it falls into any formula, then just click on the number or the cell, and then you can see the formula here in the formula bar. That's all for this lecture.